Hello everyone, welcome to this special preview of my 3D Game Art Mentorship course. This is an 8-week program designed to take individuals with zero prior experience and transform them into job-ready 3D game artists. Throughout the course, we cover everything from the basics of Maya to advanced modeling techniques. In this video, we are diving into one of the final projects, creating a Soviet-era rotary dial payphone. This is part of the last module where we bring all the skills learned together. There are two more comprehensive modules that guide you step by step from foundational concept to advanced practices in 3D modeling. We'll start the process in Autodesk Maya, where I will be modeling the payphone. You can see me blocking out the main shapes, ensuring that proportions are accurate to the real life counterpart. I focus on capturing the intricate details that give the payphone its characteristic look. As the model takes shape, I pay special attention to smaller elements such as rotary dial, the receiver. These details are crucial for achieving a realistic and authentic appearance. Once the modeling is complete, I move on to the Adobe 3D Painter for the texturing phase. Here, I apply various textures and materials to bring the payphone to life. This involves creating a worn metallic look that reflects years of use and the passage of time. I meticulously paint the textures, adding layers of dirt, rust and grime to enhance the realism. Goal is to make the payphone look as though it has stood the test of time, surviving in a rugged environment. Finally, we bring the textured model into Marmoset Toolbag 4 for rendering. This is where the magic happens as the lighting and shaders come together to create stunning photorealistic visuals. I set up the lighting to highlight the key features of the payphone, making sure the shadows and reflections are just right. The final renders showcase the full beauty and detail of the model, capturing the essence of a bygone era. Thank you for joining me on this time-lapse journey. If you are interested in learning more and want to become a job-ready 3D artist, consider enrolling in my 8-week mentorship course. This is just one of the many projects you'll work on, with detailed guidance from the basics to advanced techniques. If you would like to join the program, please DM me on my Instagram handle, which you can find in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more content from my 3D Game Art Mentorship course. Stay tuned for more tutorials and insights into the world of 3D modeling and texturing. See you in my next video.